World Environmental Day is celebrated every year on June 5 globally. It is a day on which we spread awareness about the environment and this need to conserve it. It is quite simple, as when we conserve the environment today, the future generation will be able to lead a healthier life. We cannot be so selfish and use all the resources for ourselves. So, it's our responsibility to protect the environment, and World Environmental Day is the perfect opportunity to make people aware of the issues we are facing today and how we can contribute to save our environments. So, on this World Environmental Day, the theme will be restoring the ecosystem. So, let's join hands together and contribute to restore our ecosystem.
Now it's time to show our gratitude towards our Mother Earth. My dear friends, we all know about the World Environment Day well, but we must also know about the objectives of this day. If we live on Earth, then this way Earth is our first home. Just for a moment, forget about all your different homes and keep your only focus on the Earth. We should try to keep this body clean, green and crime-free so that the environment here can nourish us and should not cause us harm and trouble. Let's nurture the nature to have a great future ahead.